think I'll never get enough. I twamp the prairies and the plains, I trudge each weary mile. I'll twamp and trudge and trudge and twamp until I make my pile. Whoa, Susanna, don't you cry for me. I'm gonna dig up lots of gold, V for victory. Oh, da 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 dee do do. I did I did I did I die die did I die 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 die. I did I did I die die did I lie lie did I. Do 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 do. Did I die die did I die die did I die 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 die. Did I die die.
Hi, neighbor.
Did I did. Oh, hello. I'm a wagged, rugged wubber of the wild and woolly west. Of all the things I haven't got, I white gold the best. Oh, it rained all night, the day I wept. The weather is so dry. It was so warm, I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me. I'm gonna get me lots of gold before victory.
Good evening, friends.
Hey, there's something awfully screwy going on around here.
What's up, Doc?
Well, one of the strangest things,
Hey, smart boy.
That's that screwy rabbit. Oh, well. Whoa! I've been working on the railroad all the long day. I've been working on the railroad to pass the time away. Whoa!
Pardon me, Doc, but, did you lose it?
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Gold, what with yellow gold? Where? Where?
Oh, here.
Where?
Here.
Oh, that's nothing. Well, I got one here.
You took a little rascal.
Come out, Mr. Rabbit. I have a little surprise for you. Don't laugh. I'll bet plenty of you men wear one of these. That's the last straw. I'll get that rabbit.
Hey, Doc. Hey, Doc, where are you? Blueberry. Oodle-hoo, where the wild coyotes will howl on me. Oodle-hoo. Gosh, ain't I a stinker? La-ta-ta-ting, la-ta-ta-ta-dum, la-ta-ta-ta-ta, la-ta-ta-ta.
Wabbit, I came here for gold, and I'm gonna get it.
No, 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 not that, not that, anything but that.
I got you. I'll show you. You can't do this to me. I'm gonna dethrone you, you wabbit. You weaker. Gold at West.
You're weaker. Gold at West.
At West, the long arm of the war is reaching out and closing in on you. You screwy wabbit. Twat by his own twacks. Come on out, you wabbit. Come on now, you into a West. Oh, my keys. Where are my keys? My keys, my keys, my keys. This bomb will explode. Hurry up, give me the keys. Oh.
What's up, Doc?
Give me the key. Quick, get me out of this predicament. Hurry up, unlock these cuffs.
All right, Doc, keep your shirt on. Take it easy. Gee, he's an excitable type. Now, let's see now. The garage, the car, for the front door, and the back door. Ah, here it is. Oh, well.
Ah, no, you don't. You're under arrest.
On what charge? You got nothing on me.
Oh, no? Well, listen to this. Resisting an officer, assault and battery, trespassing, disturbing the peace, miscellaneous misdemeanors, public nuisance, traffic violations, going through a boulevard stop, jaywalking, triple parking, conduct unbecoming to a wabbit,
Nice-looking chapeau.
violating traffic regulations.
Attention! Why, look at you. You call yourself a Mountie. You're a disgrace to the regiment. I'm gonna drum you out of the service. You can't catch me. Why, you couldn't even catch a cold. You know what I'm gonna do to you? I'm gonna punch you right square in the nose. Last one in's a rotten egg.
Come on out of there or I'll fill you full of wet.
Bang! 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 Click, 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 click.
No more bullets. I'm a disgrace to the regiment.
Come on, buck up. Don't cry. I'll give myself up. Here, take me in.
You really mean it? It's not another twig.
No, go ahead, snap 'em on. Okay, Doc, let's go.
Ready, Mr. Wabbit?
Yeah, go ahead, Doc. I'm ready.
Before you die, you can make one last wish.
Yeah? Well, let's see now. I wish I wasn't Dixie. Hooray! Hooray! Oh, the Camptown lady sings this song. Do-da. The Camptown racetrack right along. Fantastic, isn't it? Wine to run all night, wine to run all day. I'll bet my money on a bobtail night. Somebody there on the lake.
I better hurry. I just got 10 minutes to catch my plane. Hold everything, Faso! This is your lucky day. Opportunity is knocking. But I've got a very important appointment. I'll say you have. My card. Yes, sir, Daffy Duck, personal representative of the most sensational discovery since the Sweater Girl. He's colossal, stupendous. One might even go so far as to say he's mediocre. I give you that paragon of pep and personality, Sleepy Lagoon. Picture a packed house. The kid's on. The orchestra gives him a 4-bar vamp, and the kid gives it to him like this. I'm just wild about Harry, and Harry's wild about me. Now the heavenly blisses of his kisses fills me with ecstasy. That's just a rough idea, you understand. He's the sweetest chocolate candy, and just like honey from a bee. Oh, I'm just wild about Harry, and he's just wild about, cannot do without. He is from the south, can't you hear me shout, talking with my mouth, could you ever doubt? He's just wild about me. The kid finishes mid thunderous applause. Hooray! Hey! He takes a bow. They're screaming for an encore. Encore! Give us more! We want more! Let's have more! Get us some more! Get us some more! Ah, but does the kid give him another song? No. He makes with a banjo solo, like so. Just a minute, Chubby. You ain't seen half of the kid's repertoire. Well, here's one the kid does that you like. Hoo-hoo! Go, chicka-boom, chicka-boom, woo-hoo! Oh, chicka-boom, chicka-boom. When sweetie down the railway station, she makes up the caballero with something he can't resist. When she kisses him, he's just like Enchiladas with a dish of capistrano and a punch from Fighter's fist. When she loves him, naked moon above. She is the one hot tamale who can love him. Goodbye, golly, in September and November. Not to mention cold December, in the springtime, in the summer, or when autumn leaves are falling. She will love him. A bum, shaka-bum, 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 la-la, la-la-la-la. Woo! Even though you're already make living, laugh, Clara, laugh. I'm a cowboy, yes sir I am. Yes sir I am a cowboy, yes sir I am. I'm a cowboy, yes sir I am. Yes sir I am a cowboy. Yee-hee! We watch the skyways o'er the land and the sea, are ready to fly anywhere the duty calls, ready to fight, to be free. You're just an angel in disguise, ordered out from above. La-da-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee. Over hill and over dale, we're always on the dusty trail, hunting foxes, hunting quail, tally-ho! I am hunting full, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. My horse and I are of the finest breed, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Just like the wind, I ride my stalwart steed, sure of foot, sure of eye. Peeling onions make me cry, this makes no sense, so do I. So don't you go and beat me, Daddy, to the nearest bar, yeah! And now the kid goes into his finale. And what a finale! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! All right, let's see what the kid can do. Okay, Sleepy, do your stuff.
Let springtime blossom blossoms bloom again in the garden. My heart.
That's all, folks.
Them Deutsche geflappen, gefloten, with the commandos and they're all over the place. Ooh, verstunkener, that Hitler-Schwein. It makes me so mad if I don't listen more troops to the schreien, geschießen, erschossen lassen. Mir weiß nicht, was der Lässe bedeuten, was ich schnell sagen kann. Wer hat die Kommandos durchgelassen? Hast du da Ack-Acks abgeschossen, no? Mach schnell, gesund, dick!
It's the sign of the old world over. It's the poor what gets the blame, while the rich has all the gravy. Now ain't that a blinkin' shame? Put out those lights!
Schulz! When you hear the tone, it will be exactly 6:45 and 1/4. Schulz?
$6.45 and 1/4. May I present you with this little token of our esteem?
For me? Dankeschön, Dankeschön.
Oh, just a little going-away present. Well, see you around.
Schulz! Schulz!
wenn dieser Telefon ist busy, bleiben Sie ruhig. Bitte, mein Herr, haben Sie einen 5-Pfennig-Stick? Dankeschön. It's all yours, Von Limburger.
Hello, Schultz. I want you to... Oh, is that you, Mert?
Messerschmitt. A whole mess of Messerschmitt. A mess of Messerschmitt.
Ah, now try and duck this one, you duck. Hail Hitler! Haben Sie geschieden? Hossierel! Gestochen, alle zusammengestunken! Hitler geschwürgelgrubber! Ach du lieber, mein Herr, mein Pumpkin, mein Wild, mein heiliger
That's all, folks.
Pardon me, Doc. Fresh out of carrots. Low bridge. I live here. It's my home. Such as it is. Look, Doc, do I go around nailing signs over your house? Do I? There's still such a thing as private property, you know. Did you ever hear of the inalienable right of the sanctity of the home?
Forgive me, my friend. Do you like blackberry pie?
No. Did you say blackberry pie? Yum, yummy.
We'll have some. What a dumb bunny.
Of course you realize this means war.
the empty hat, I will press the pull a live rabbit, yes. Ruta, vuta, zut. And observe, a rabbit, yes.
Guess who?
You.
Yes, me. You didn't expect to see me again, eh, Svengali?
Go away, please, you dumb rabbit's bunny. You are for to ruining my act.
Wrong, Doc. I'm gonna help you. Let's see now. You was trying to press the pull a rabbit out of the hat.
Regardez. Ruta, vuta, zut. Carrot? Oh, yes, yes. Come out and get the nice carrot, pretty Bonnie. I got him.
On the contrary, I've got you.
What's the other
Ladies and gentle peoples, for my next illusion, I will require the assistance of a small boy from the audience.
I shall be happy to assist you, sir.
I shall now attempt to run razor-sharp swords through the basket. There's nothing for to fear. It's a trick. The swords do not penetrate. No. Agony. Does it hurt very much, sonny boy?
Sauf s'il laissait Paul faire au revoir. Zut, zut.
What a performance, Doc Hagen! What a performance!
If I do it, I get a weapon. I do it.
A farewell to read.